Dating back several centuries, Dumangas was first settled as a barangay in 1212 AD. The early occupants, thought to be a group of Sri Visayan Malays, brought their culture, adjusted their system of government, and made use of what nature had to offer. Araot was name given to Dumangas until 1605. One of the oldest still standing churches in the Visayas is located in this town. The native people was first converted to Christianity by Catholic missionaries from Spain, known as the Augustinian Friars. It was thought that Dumangas was the location of the first mass celebrated in the first stone chapel built on the entire island of Panay. There are many stories as how the town acquired its name. However, the name Dumangas, which originally meant Duro Mangas or many mangoes, was derived from the abundance of mangoes that grew throughout. Colonel Quintin Salas, Filipino hero and patriot. On October 31, 1870, General Quintin Salas, Ilonggo revolutionary leader and among the last Visayan revolutionists to surrender to the Americans, was born in Dumangas, Iloilo. On October 28, 1898, he raised the cry for freedom in Dumangas and liberated the Iloilo towns of Barotac Nuevo, Pototan, Pasi, and Banate. He confiscated enemy arms, ammunition, and documents, then set the prisoners free. Colonel Quintin Salas was with General Martin Delgado during the Cry of Iloilo Revolution on November 17, 1898, and the hosting of the Philippine flag in Plaza Libertad on December 25, 1898. Peter Solis Neri, born January 6, 1969, is a multi-award-winning Filipino poet, fictionist, and playwright from Dumangas, Iloilo, Philippines. He has won major acclaim for his poetry and short stories from the Carlos Palanca Memorial Awards for Literature, the Cultural Center of the Philippines, and the National Commission for Culture and the Arts. His screenplays have also won the Philippine Centennial Literary Prize, the 2001 Cinemanila International Film Festival, and the National Film Competition of the Film Development Council of the Philippines. Peter was elevated to the Hall of Fame of the Palanca Awards in 2012 and established the Peter Solis Neri Foundation for the Hiligaynon Literature and Arts. The municipality of Dumangas is a third class and a coastal municipality in the province of Iloilo. Dumangas is 25 kilometers away from Iloilo City. Dumangas is located northeast of Iloilo City, surrounded by the towns of Barotac Nuevo in the east, Saraga in the west, Pototan in the north, and the island of the Guimaras in the southwest and the island of Negros in the east. The municipality has a land area of 128.70 square kilometers or 49.69 square miles, which constitutes 2.58% of Iloilo's total area. Its population as determined by the 2020 census was 73,899. This represented 3.60% of the total population of Iloilo province, or 0.93% of the overall population of the Western Visayas region. Dumangas is composed of 45 barangays, 17 of which is along the coast. It is basically a farming and fishing community with a significant portion of its land allocated for agriculture and aquaculture activities. The municipality of Dumangas contains a total agricultural land of 11,355.5 hectares. 6,819.55 hectares farmland and 4,535.95 hectares of fish pool. Dumangas has palay as its major field crop. Its minor products are sugarcane, coconut, corn, mango, watermelon, etc. Since Dumangas is a coastal town, fishing became the occupation of most people in the coastal barangays. The presence of rivers, creeks, and coastal areas enhances both inland marine fishing. Bangros, milkfish, tilapia, tahong, kasag, or alimango are the common products produced by the people. With regard to the commercial situation, its commercial establishments include wholesale and retail businesses. These include sari-sari store, grocery store, drugstore, bakeries, lumber yards, rice retailers, vegetable vendors, seafood vendors, meat vendors, rice mills, gasoline dealers, etc. Hawas Festival is a cultural and seafood festival in the town of Dumangas, Iloilo, Philippines, every last week of October. Boasting of a week-long calendar, it is a celebration of Dumanga's vibrant local culture, rich heritage, seafood industry, particularly the production of bangus or milkfish, Thanksgiving for bountiful harvest, and heroism of Filipino patriot Colonel Quintin Salas. St. Augustine Catholic Parish or Dumangas Church is of Gothic architectural style. The present church was constructed under the supervision of Father Fernando Lorente in 1887 and finished by Father Rafael Murillo in 1896. It was declared as a national landmark by the National Historical Institute. Ruins of first stone church in Panay in Barangay Ermita was built in 1569 by Captain Luis de la Haya. Together with Augustinian Father Juan de Alba, it was declared a national landmark by National Historical Institute. Matagsing Cave can be found within the Matagsing Hill and is located between barangays of Sulangan, Ermita, and Patlan. This magnificent Matagsing contains two caves of varying sizes. As soon as you walk into the large cave, you can see and smell the collected bat poop or guano. Stalactites and stalagmites, which resemble a rose full of glitter and sparkling in a dark environment, can be discovered inside the semi-altar where saint statues can be placed. Dumangas Port is a major port in Iloilo Province, Philippines, serving cargo and ro-ro vessels to and from Bacolod City, operated and owned by the Philippine Ports Authority. Dumangas Boardwalk. This is a prime tourist destination as Dumangas is presently dubbed as food destination in province of Iloilo, as the guests and visitors enjoy the cleanest and freshest sea breeze of Guimaras and Visayan Sea with a romantic ambience of sunrise to sunset near the Dumangas Port. Costa Buena, serving the best Spanish Filipino neo-colonial cuisine located at Sapao, Dumangas, Iloilo.
Pamati ang lantol, ihalat ko sa imo. O Dumangas atong banwa nga bulahan, mahal na